Hello everyone. For today's hairstyle, we will start off by taking a section of hair from the front, from the left side. Then take a small section from the right side as well, and then tie it to the majority of the right side. Add a rubber band to the right side, and then move over to the left side and then braid the rest of the hair. Make sure that the braid is tight. Once you have reached the bottom, tie it up and then roll it over. Add a bobby pin to fasten it in its place. Then you may add many designer clips on top of it as well. For our next hairstyle, start off by making a ponytail. Make a division in the tight portion of the ponytail and then insert the ponytail through it. Twist it around so that it forms a two-side twist. Then strengthen it by pulling the hair. Braid the hair tight until you reach the bottom and then add a rubber band to the bottom. Once you have finished your braid, roll it up backwards and then insert it to the under portion of your head. Then use bobby pins to fasten it in place. Next, take two sections of your hair, tie it up and then twist it around to form the two-side twists. Add a brooch or a beret to make it look more decorative. Next, take a section of hair from the front and then take another section from the other side as well. Tie it up together in the center. Then take another section from the left side and then roll it up in the first tied up section and do the same on the right side. Repeat the same process 2 more times. Once you are done, add decorative clips. Thank you for watching.